How to enable and change ChatGPT voice on application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can enable and change ChatGPT voice on application. So without further ado, let's get started. For that, you have to open up the ChatGPT application. If not, make sure that you install it from the Google Play Store if you're on the Android device. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged in. Now to enable the ChatGPT voice and change the voice on application, all you have to do is navigate to the search bar. And on next to search bar, next to microphone icon, there is a small icon for the voice. So if you tap on it, you land and make sure that you have allow access to microphone for the ChatGPT. If not, go to the settings and allow access. Now to change the voice, tap on the filter icon at the top right corner. Now you can choose the voice. Swipe through it and then select your preferred voice. Here I have Maple, which is cheerful and candid. Swipe through it. There is a Breeze, which is animated and earnest. So scroll through it, swipe through it and select your preferred voice. Then head over to Start New Chat, and now you could use the ChatGPT voice mode on the application. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.